Hi, this video shows an example of the WhatsApp store ordering process. When we set up the WhatsApp store for your business, your customers will be able to order your product following the steps shown in this video. So let's proceed by entering a message. So for example, we enter shop here. All right. So you can see that we are presented with an option to proceed to place an order. So for us to start the process, we select yes. All right, so we enter the first name. So we say the first name is demo. All right. So the last name, say customer. So this should be the actual name of the customer. So we enter the email. So for this example, we use the test support email. All right, so now we can then proceed to shop. So for us to shop the product, we tap on the button. All right, so now we can then go ahead and view the product collections. So what we do next is we click on the view collections button. All right, so for this example, let's say we are ordering the product under the body care collection. So we go ahead and select it. All right, so now we can then proceed to view the product under the body care collection. So this is the main catalog page. So here is where we'll now proceed to select the products and add it to the shopping cart. So let's say, for example, we want to order this product. We select this. So you see that in the product details page, we have the option to view a description about the product. So for us to add the product to the shopping cart, we click on the add to cart button. So once we do that, we go back. So we can add additional products. Let's say we want to add this product. We can just go ahead and click on the plus button here. So this has added it to the cart. We can as well add, let's say, one more product. So we add this. So we go ahead and add it to cart. So once we are sure that we've selected all the products we want, we go ahead and click on the view cart button. So you can see that after we clicked on the view cart button, we are presented with the option to proceed and place the order. So you see the order total here. So if we're ready to do that, we go ahead and click on the place order button. So take note that if we don't want to place the order now, we can go ahead and close this and close this as well. All right, so you notice that once we closed it, we're presented with the shopping cart icon here. So opening this will show us the cart. So let's say we want to go back and order a product under the face category option. We come here, we come back to the view collections option and select the face care collections option here. So we send it. So remember that we've already added some product from the body care collection. So once we do that, we go ahead and click on the view items. So these are the items under the face care collection. So let's say we want to just pick one product from this collection. We go ahead and add it to cart. And then coming back here, you see that the product we added has been added to the cart. So this is an example on how your customers can shop the various collections you may have before placing their order. So if I'm ready to place my order, I can then go ahead and click on the floating cart button, right? And then I go ahead and place the order here. All right, so now that we've placed the order, you can see that our order has been saved. So currently there is a 20% discount that we are running on this store. So for us to proceed to complete the order, we go ahead and select yes. All right, so in this section, you see that I already have an existing shipping address here. If I want to change the shipping address, I select no. But if I'm going to use the existing shipping address, I go ahead and select yes. So in the next option, we are now presented with the option to confirm the order. So what we do next is we come here and select yes. All right, so now that we've confirmed the order, the last option before we can complete the ordering process is to make payment for the order. So you can see that we are presented with a payment link. So for us to make the payment, we just go ahead and click on this link here. What I'll do next is I go ahead and pause the video in order for me to enter the payment details and then process the payment. All right, so you can see that the payment has been made. All right, so you notice that now that we are redirected back to WhatsApp, you see that the payment confirmation message was sent, and we have the option to place a new order by clicking the place new order button here. So in this video, I've shown you an example of the WhatsApp store ordering process. Thank you for watching.